Hello dear fans. Why is Pluto a dwarf? The last planet in the solar system, Pluto, was discovered by astronomer Tombaugh on February 18, 1930. Strictly speaking, Pluto can no longer be considered a planet. In 2006 it was decided to classify Pluto among dwarf planets, such as the largest asteroid series or Pluto's satellite Charon. The reason for the decision to classify Pluto among the dwarf planets was the criteria adopted at the same assembly in 2006, by which the belonging of a cosmic body to the class of planets is determined. One of them is that the orbit of the planet cannot be crossed by another object, and the orbit of Pluto is crossed by Neptune. Dwarf planets. Pluto is one of those planets whose existence was first confirmed by calculations, and only then was it fixed by a telescope. Kepler's and Newton's laws are used to determine the size of distant planets and the distance to them. Kepler's laws prove that the orbits of the planets do not have the shape of a regular circle. Newton's laws determine the interaction of two planets based on their mass and their distance from each other. The greater the mass of the planets, the stronger they are attracted, the smaller the distance between them, the greater the force of attraction acting on them. Based on these laws, scientists calculated the estimated orbit of motion of Uranus, which was then considered the last planet of the solar system, but observations of its movement revealed that its real orbit would not coincide with the calculated one. Then some scientists expressed the opinion that behind Uranus there is a planet that has not yet been discovered, which, by its attraction, affects the orbit of Uranus. This planet turned out to be Neptune, which was discovered by the Berlin Observatory. However, the attraction of Neptune did not fully explain the oddities in the movement of Uranus. In 1915, the American Percival Lowell hypothesized that there is another unknown planet beyond Neptune, which also affects the orbit of Uranus, and indicated in which part of the sky to look for it. 15 years later, in 1930, a new planet was discovered through study photographs of the starry sky, in the very region of the sky indicated by Lowell. Thanks for watching.